Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can create images using the AI image generator on Gamma AI, for example, for your presentations. So let us guide you through it. So guys, navigate to Gamma AI, log into your account, and what you want to do is click into AI images on the left panel. Next, you will be redirected to that library of AI images that, for example, may have been created by the artificial intelligence and used in your presentations, for example. Now, you can, of course, create new ones by using or by clicking into that button here at the top and add them to your library and later use them, for example, for your presentations. So let me do that really quickly. Click into that button. And next, use that field here to enter your prompt. So let me go with that example prompt here. And below, guys, you can, for instance, narrow down your art style. Select that one here, illustration, photo. Let me go with photo because it matches that prompt. And you may also customize the aspect ratio, the image count. So let me go with only one version. And you can also select the image generation model here. I will go with, I will go with auto select. And after that, click into generate, or let me also adjust the aspect ratio to landscape or 16:9. And now let me click into generate and wait for a brief moment for the artificial intelligence to finish generating the image. And there you go. That's how it might look like, for example, if you enter a prompt like this. Of course, you can give it several tries by clicking into that button here, or download the image, or zoom in or delete it, or simply, as you can see, it will be saved in your library. Simply navigate to your presentation and add it to a slide or a card by clicking into add images here and use, for instance, the library here or gallery. And that's basically it, guys. That's how it works. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.